Okay. So, about the new Apex release, Apex 23.2, I'm very, very excited to see that from now on I can create live application copies, meaning that I can work in parallel with the other team, but in my own sandbox. I have the mechanism to review and test the changes before making any submit to the current application. In the past, to do the same, I had two options, either to make a standalone copy of the application or to edit directly the main version of the application. So this is a life-saving feature for me as a developer. Another very, very important option, new feature that also will make impact to our customers is the workflows. From now on, I have the ability to create workflows that can contain multiple tasks, thus user interaction. It's an out-of-the-box functionality, meaning I don't have to create any mechanism underneath in order to control anything. So from now on, I can ask easily from my users to review and before submitting important application features or values. And also I can inform business owners for task completions, like premium adjustments or portfolio or monthly portfolio validation, and etc. I believe that this is the most two important new features that introduced with the new Apex release 23.2.